In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Kajabi using Zapier or Make. If you want to automatically send new Typeform submissions into Kajabi, this setup is a great way to save time and avoid manual data entry. The basic idea is simple. Whenever someone fills out your Typeform, the information they submit can automatically trigger an action inside Kajabi, such as creating a contact or granting an offer. Once it's set up correctly, the process runs in the background for you. To begin, log into either Zapier or Make, depending on the automation platform you prefer to use. Both tools let you connect apps and create workflows, so the overall setup is very similar. After signing in, start a new automation and choose Typeform as your trigger application. For the trigger event, select New Submission. This means the automation will begin every time a new response is submitted through your form. Next, choose Kajabi as the action app. This is the app where the submitted data will be sent. Depending on your goal, select either the option to create or grant an offer or choose Create Contact. If you want to add someone to your Kajabi contacts list, Create Contact is the right choice. If you want to automatically give them access to a specific product or offer, then Create or Grant Offer may be the better fit. It all depends on what should happen after the form is completed. After that, connect both of your accounts to the automation platform. You'll need to authorize access so Zapier or Make can communicate with Typeform and Kajabi securely. As you do this, be careful not to share any private login details or sensitive account information outside the secure connection process. Once both accounts are connected, map the fields from Typeform to the matching fields in Kajabi. At a minimum, make sure fields like name and email are connected properly, since these are usually essential for creating a contact or assigning an offer. Take your time during this part, because accurate field mapping is what ensures the right information goes to the right place. If your Typeform includes additional useful fields,